I did want to make one little additional short video here. I kind of made one of these little tower trees. I had lettuce growing into it, kind of, as you can see, kind of got overshadowed by this. Mama wanted some rhubarb, and you can pretty well see from the size of this, back up here a little bit, you can see from the size of those leaves that are, oh, I don't know if I can get this picture in here to let you see how big those leaves are, but she's definitely getting some rhubarb off that thing. So just thought you might be interested in that. I started out with just the idea of plant some in there and that'd give it a little bit of shade, but yeah, it's kind of taking over. So careful where you plant your rhubarb, at least in good soil. It'll definitely grow.